Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Photoshop for video thumbnail workflow. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Adobe website. In the search bar, type Adobe Photoshop and press enter. Locate the download link for Adobe Photoshop. Click on the download button that suits your operating system. If prompted, sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new account. Once signed in, select the plan that best fits your needs. Proceed to enter your payment information if required. After confirming your purchase, the download will start automatically. Check your Downloads folder for the installation file. Double-click on the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred installation location if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, open Adobe Photoshop from your Applications folder or desktop shortcut. Familiarize yourself with the main interface of Adobe Photoshop. Now, focus on creating your video thumbnail. Set the document size to match standard thumbnail dimensions. Remember, the recommended size is 1280 by 720 pixels. Select a background color or image that aligns with your video's theme. Use text tools to add engaging titles or descriptions. Incorporate images or graphics that represent your content visually. Make sure to keep elements balanced and visually appealing. Once satisfied with your design, save the thumbnail in a suitable format. Export your file as a JPEG or PNG for optimal quality. Now you're ready to upload your custom thumbnail to your video platform. Your Adobe Photoshop installation for thumbnail creation is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.